Morning, guys. This storm slowly pushing northward, running into a lot of dry air. And so initially, even through the first half of the day, there's not a whole lot going on. Let's take a look at the conditions outside right now, and we'll take a look at live pinpoint Doppler 12 radar. So the radar is looking a little worse than it is. We've got just some light wet snow along the southwest corner of the state. A few flakes flying in Narragansett right now. Block Island with some light rain. South of Block Island, we're starting to see some steadier and heavier precipitation developing as our area of low pressure gets organized. To our south, it'll be lifting to the north and east over the next 24 hours. So kind of a complex storm system right now. You can see the mid-Atlantic up through Pennsylvania, the areas that are getting hit with a heavier snowfall at the moment. Winds have already picked up. If you step outside, you notice that they're out of the northeast, gusting over 30 miles per hour at times. And we're in a winter storm warning now over the next 23 hours till 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And the same goes for that winter headlines. We also have wind headlines, so a wind advisory along the coastline till 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and it's a high wind warning for the Cape and Islands. Here's the Futurecast showing that progression of the snow, and notice again it's very slowly going to be spreading inland, but around the time of the evening commute things start to change. So 4 or 5 o'clock we go from pretty manageable on the roads to very difficult on the roadways with heavier snow, strong wind gusts, limited visibility, and the snow overcoming that warm pavement temperature and sticking to the roads, leading to slippery travel conditions. This is 10 o'clock at night. Some rain possible over Cape Cod, but the majority of us seeing accumulating snow through the night, waking up to some of that lingering early tomorrow morning before it tapers off from west to east, and just some lingering snow showers. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, between 4 and possibly as much as 8 inches of wet snow on the ground, not on the roadways, mostly on the grass and on your car tops, on your deck surfaces. We'll see less than this on the roads, but still some difficult travel later this evening and overnight tonight. I have our travel impacts growing significantly, heading around the time of the evening commute and beyond, and lingering into tomorrow morning. So expect some slower travel when you begin your normal morning commute time. So the rest of this morning, some light snow mixing with rain and sleet moving in. Roadways are expected to stay wet through the morning and even into the early afternoon. We'll start to see some steadier snow and wind by late afternoon and evening. Only small accumulations by late in the day. The bulk of those again after 7 o'clock tonight through about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, with some accumulations, likely some poor travel with it tapering off by early Thursday. So that's just the snow piece of it. Here's the wind, 35 to 40 miles per hour upper part of the bay, western and northern Rhode Island and northern Bristol County. The winds get stronger as you get closer to the coastline. So between 45 and 55 miles per hour, Bristol and East Greenwich, all the way down through South County, Jamestown, Newport, Fall River, New Bedford, with the potential for some gusts over 50 miles per hour. That's going to lead to the risk of some power outages. Got to keep in mind we've had 3 nor'easters prior to this one, and there may be some trees that are damaged. So even though we're not expecting as much wind or as much snow as with the last storm, we still could see some power outages. I would prepare for it. The highest risk of outages where the strongest wind gusts will be. So here's what we're looking at for impacts. Not much accumulating during the daytime. Heaviest between 7 p.m. and 5 a.m. with some scattered wind damage and outages. Coastal flooding, at least some minor flooding possible around the later nighttime, early tomorrow morning high tide cycle. We're talking about places from Boston Harbor to the outer Cape.